So this is how to get plumper lips without needles. My name is Danielle Collins, world leading face yoga expert. I've been teaching these techniques for 20 years. I'm 43. I've never got any injectables for my lips or for anywhere else in my face. So I rely on these techniques. Now let me make it really clear. We are not going to get the same results as we get from lip filler. You can see from my lips that although they are smooth and I'm really happy with them, they of course are not going to get the same results as if I had gone and got injectables. What I'm looking for is lips that look healthy, that look vibrant, that look hydrated, that look like the collagen is naturally being plumped in that area. So I'm going to show you what I do and what I've taught to millions of people around the world when I teach these techniques. So you want to apply a little something to your skin. A little bit of Fusion by Danielle Collins moisturizing serum is really nice, particularly around your lip area, or even just grab some lip balm. That would be also completely fine for this. We're going to start off waking up the muscle, and we're just going to bring our lips like this, and we're going to squeeze and wiggle. Now I know it looks a little bit funny, but it's so good for getting the blood flow going. Keep that going a little bit longer, stimulating the muscle there, working with that blood circulation, feeding the skin. Don't worry if you're getting some squelchy noises there, completely normal. Okay, so now let's go a little bit deeper into it. We're going to take our fingers and we're going to trace around the lips, so like this. Now this is where it's going to have a little bit of glide, just helps it work a little bit more effectively. Now in a minute we're going to take it into a facial exercise with the massage, but let me tell you about what's happening with the massage. I'm talking at the moment, but obviously when you do it, this is a position I want you to have your mouth in. So slightly open lips. So this massage is very good for helping to bring the fresh blood and the oxygen and the nutrients up to the skin surface that's feeding the skin. It's helping the lips look healthier, more glowing. It's reducing any little fine lines and wrinkles around that area. And it's naturally encouraging the collagen production as well. And I like to add the Fusion by Danielle Collins Pro Lift Moisturizing Serum because it has those molecules small enough to get into the middle layer of skin, unlike what creams do or very heavy oils. And it just means that's where the collagen elastin lies. So it can help to regenerate new skin cells because of all the wonderful organic, vegan, botanical oils. So we're going to make the mouth into a bit more of an O and go from there. And just relaxing. So that is really good for also strengthening and toning the muscle that runs around the lips, orbicularis oris muscle. So you're getting the facial exercise benefits with the facial massage benefits. Okay, we're now going to take our index finger and just flick around the lip line. So we're just working bottom lip for now. Just gentle flicks, really stimulating that blood flow. Now quite often you will see that your lips look a little bit plumper, a little bit firmer, a little bit less lined straight after the technique, but do remember that it's doing it very regularly how you see the best results. You can have lips open or closed here. It's nice to do the nasal breathing with lips closed. And we're going to do top lip. You may need to slightly open your lips as you do this. Lovely, and just relax for a moment. Okay, next technique, we are going to do some little circular actions. So we're just going like this all the way around. Just really working into your lip line. And again, this works beautifully if you are using a little bit of lip balm or working with your serum. Just helps the product to penetrate a little bit deeper into the skin as well. And remember, doing these regularly is how you're going to see the best results. So I would definitely say, although you will see results straight away, it's really in a few weeks where you start to notice your lips just look healthier and generally plumper. But tune into how they feel now. You should feel a sense of heat there, which is a great signal you really worked with the circulation. And that is it, you are all done. If you'd like more information on my face yoga teacher training courses, my other courses, my books and my skincare, you can go to faceyogaexpert.com. Have a great day. Bye bye.